In this video, I'll be giving you tips that can help you save a lot of time as a photographer. So this is going to help you save a lot of time during or after doing the photo shoot. So the very first tip is always make sure to prepare your gear that you have to use for a given session or shoot. So make sure you pack everything and have something like a checklist that is going to help you ensure or make sure to have everything in check and you don't miss out anything. So in case you're going to do an outdoor session, make sure to have packed the charged batteries, you have the memory cards, you have the strobes or the lights that you have to use, and you have everything that you want to use for that given session. So that is going to help you save a lot of time and help you plan accordingly. And other thing that you can do is always make sure to do research on the poses that you want to do for a given session or for a given photo shoot. So make sure to research poses and get those poses right before you even go to do the photo shoot. And you can use Pinterest and any other inspirations, for example Instagram, that are going to enable you get those poses. So this is going to help you have an idea for the poses that you want for that given photo shoot, and you don't have to spend a lot of time trying to direct or to look for the right poses for your models. So that is going to help you save time. Then the other thing is always make sure you fix everything during the photo shoot. So oftentimes we spend a lot of time trying to fix things in Photoshop or during the editing, and it makes us spend a lot of time during the editing process. So make sure that if something can be fixed during a given photo shoot or during a photo shoot, make sure you fix it. So for this, I mean, ensure the model or the subject has applied the right makeup. Yeah, make sure the makeup is perfect. Then make sure you can fix the hair of your model or the subject so that you don't take a lot of time trying to delete unwanted photos, or you end up taking photos that you don't need at the end of the day because you simply didn't fix the hair of the subject. And other thing is ensure that the subject has ironed the outfit. So make sure they have the right outfit and it is ironed and doesn't have any form of wrinkles on it. So that is going to help you spend less time during the editing process, because when the makeup is done right and the hair is done or fixed and is right during the photo shoot and the outfit is on point and is ironed, it means all you have to do is do your color grading and also do the skin retouching. So that is also going to help you save a lot of time as a photographer. So after shooting and you have ensured you have taken everything right, and other thing, make sure you shoot in RAW, because oftentimes when trying to shoot outdoors or even during events, we spend less time trying to capture a moment and we end up taking unwanted photos. Yeah, so you may take those photos, but when you shoot in RAW and you take few photos, you have the liberty or you have the flexibility to fix those photos, because RAW is going to be providing that kind of a large or high dynamic range so that you can preserve details in overexposed or underexposed areas of your image. So after you have shot, the other thing that you can do as a photographer to save time is ensuring that you have a very fast computer. So a fast computer is going to prevent lag during editing. And the other thing that you can do to save a lot of time as a photographer is simply making sure the computer or monitor trying to use to edit is accurate enough. So make sure you have a computer that is going to be showing you accurate colors, because during the process of color grading, you're going to be saving a lot of time, because you don't have, or you are going to spend less time trying to guess the colors or trying to edit. So that is going to help you save a lot of time as a photographer. And always ensure to have backed up your photos. So make sure you have maybe an external drive where you can back up the photos. So make sure you back up your client's photos, because it is going to help you save a lot of time. For example, in case the computer crashes, It is going to help you save a lot of time that you have spent in legal battles with your client or model. So make sure after the shoot you go ahead and backup or create a backup of those photos, and that is going to help you save time in the near future. So those are the tips that I can give you. And by the very last tip that you can use is always have a given or specific workflow for your editing process. So usually for my case, all I do is first of all do the selection of the images that I want to edit. Then I import them in the software of my choice, specifically Lightroom or Capture One. I do color correction and the first step of color grading. Then I take the photos to Photoshop for the skin retouching. Then I do every adjustment that I need to do. Then I do the last step of color correction or color grading, and do a little bit of dodging and burning, eye and teeth whitening, and finally I save those photos that are going to be ready to be delivered to my client. So those are the tips that you can use to save a lot of time as a photographer in case you really want to work smart in 2026. So this is it for this video, and I hope you have learned a thing or two from this very video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Keep practicing and as well keep creating.